Hello guys, so we are going to rate EAS alarms. With the Afghanistan one. Who's scared of that? That's probably like a 3 out of 10. Next one! Yeah, that's like a 3 out of 10. Now it's time for what? What is it time for? Now it is time for acrotiri. Acrotiri EAS. Acroti. What's the acroti alarm? One way to find the acroti alarm. Guys, please lower your volume like I'm doing. Okay, that is going to be like a 2 out of 10. I'm just putting emblems as squares. So that's going to be like a 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. That's a 2. Yeah, that's a 2 out of 10. That's definitely a 2 out of 10. Now the next one is list of countries. Oh no, right, the 404. Ah! Oh no, wait. What's acroti? No, not Europe. Not America. Yes. Oh no, yeah, these are just countries. What? It's gonna take me long. Okay, Abkhazia. Yeah, sure. Island. Island. Up. Cause. Okay. Up. Abkhazia. EAS. Alarm. Abkhazia. Seriously? Yeah, that's about like a 1. That's like a 1. Yeah, that's like a 1. 9 out of 10, good alarm for me to wake up. Nobody. Okay. Axum. Let's try out the Axum alarm. Axum. Is it? Wait. Yeah, that's how you spell it. EAS. Alarm. Axum. That's actually quite creepy. I'll give that a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 at best. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The background was just the scariest part. Yeah, I'll give that about 9 out of 10 at best. The next country on our list is the Allen Islands. The Allen Islands. 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 Yeah. Let's hear it. What does this one claim? Wait, 1.5? 1.5 is way cooler. So let's test that out. Wait. Speed 1.5. Oh yeah! Wait, I think this is the actual alarm. Okay, probably. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, probably like a. Yeah, I'll give it like a. 8 out of 10 at best. Alan. Yeah, that's like an 8 out of 10 at best. Yeah, that's literally like an 8 out of 10 at best. Now Albania. Okay. Okay, Albania, let's see what you've got. Okay, so Albania. Okay, that is literally just a 2 out of 10. They're literally a 2 out of 10. That's literally a 2 out of 10. Okay.
What if Albania and Kosovo united? Albania population would increase to 4,730,000 people, from 2.8 million people. Albania's GDP would also increase from $14.8 billion to $24.4 billion. Albania's size would be 39,600 square kilometers, which is comparable to the size of Bhutan. Uniting with Kosovo would lead to war with Serbia and NATO. What if Albania and
Algeria. Let's do Algeria. Let's do Algeria. No. That's probably like a. Yeah, I'd say like a 5 out of 10 at best. Yeah. What's that? Next is okay, that's pretty much like a. That voice in the background is just annoying me. So that's like a. Yeah, that's a 9 out of 10. That's a 9 out of 10 right there. Got no 10 out of 10s. I have got no 7 out of 10s, no 6 out of 10s, or no 4 out of 10s. Well, actually, this will just be a part 1 because I'm getting bored. So, bye!